Smart Motion Sensor Night Light, Magnetic Strip Sensor Light, Cabinet Light, USB Rechargeable LED Wall Light, Warm Light and White Light. 2 light sources optional, easy to install, suitable for kitchen, hallway, stairs, wardrobe, bedroom night light. Product details. Material: plastic. Control method: switch. Compatibility: Smartthings. Embellishments: fixture type: detachable. Light fixture type: sconce. Lamp shade material: plastic. Metal finish type: polished. Type: light bar. Accessory: multiple components. Mounting type: semi-flush mount. Power supply: USB powered. Battery properties: rechargeable lithium battery. Battery capacity: 300 mAh. Buy the best products at the most favorable prices in Sellines network.